Big news for job seekers in Nigeria. The federal government has opened the 2025 recruitment portal for 4 major paramilitary agencies. This includes Nigeria Immigration Service (NIS), Nigeria Civil Defense (NSCDC), Nigeria Correctional Service, Federal Fire Service. All applications must be done through the official portal, recruitment.cdcfib.gov.ng. Don't fall for scammers. This is the only legitimate site for these recruitments. So, who can apply? Here's what you typically need: a valid national ID or NIN, WAEC, NICO or higher certificate. Must be a Nigerian citizen. Age limit 18 to 35 years. Other requirements vary slightly by agency. Let me now show you exactly how to register from your phone. Step 1. Go to recruitment.cdcfib.gov.ng. Step 2. Select the agency you want to apply to. Step 3. Fill out your personal details. Step 4. Upload required documents. Step 5. Submit and print or save your application confirmation. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more updates, and drop a comment if you have any questions. I reply to everyone.